Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how you can download the Kali Linux in your Windows 11 or 10, and how you can install it in your VMware Workstation Pro. So the process is very easy. So what we have to do, we have to go and open our Firefox, and from here we have to write only download Kali Linux. Kali Linux. So download Kali Linux. We have to go for enter, and then we have to click on this one, get the Kali. And from here, they show us like the platforms, and they ask us which platform we want to use. So we have two options here, or three options. So we can install it as an image, and also we can use it to install it in a virtual machine. So use it like VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. So in our case, we will use the VMware Workstation Pro. So we have to go for recommended, and from recommended here, we have the VMware Workstation Pro if you have VMware in your machine, and also you can use the VirtualBox if you have a VirtualBox installed in your machine, or the Hyper-V or the QMO. So from here, what we have to do, we have to come on this download the icon and click on it, but it is like 3.6 gigabyte to download it. You should have a memory 3.6 gigabyte in order to be able to download it. So we have to click on this icon, this download icon, and then directly it's will start the download session. But I already did it. I will not do it now. So I show you only in order later I want to do it by your side. So we have to close this one, and I will show you what I already installed. So I go for my file explorer and go for the download section. And from here I have the zip file, but I should unzip it before installing it. So because it is a zip file, so I right click and extract all. So here I have to extract the files in this location. So I let the location is good for me in the download location. So you can also use change the location, so you can browse it to install it in your C or something. So maybe we do it. Okay, browse and go for the C. Okay, from the C here, I have to create another folder. I will name the folder Kali. So from here now I have to select the folder. They say no, that is Kali, no. Another one is another one. New folder, we have another folder that is called Kali, so we should rename it. Maybe we can go for Kali one. Kali one, okay. Select it and we go for select. And then here we go for extract. So we are extracting it. So we should wait for a little bit in order to finish the extract section. Okay, the extraction is already finished. So now what we have to do, we have to go and in the location where we uh, extract the files. So it's in my C, and from my C is here. I have to click to open it, to click it. So we have to use normally this one is the EMD64 is the one that we should use in order to install it. I have to close all of these, and from now what we have to do, I have to open my VMware workstation and to click and open it. So it is open, so I have only to open a virtual machine open a virtual machine. So I have to go on the location, Kali, open it and install this one and go open. And from here, what we have to do, we can edit the virtual machine settings. We should give like 4 giga, 8 giga is not a problem for the memory, and also the processor 2 is good. So network adapter we have to go with bridge. So, and also the other options you leave them as a default. So we go for OK. And now from here we can power on this machine, on this virtual machine. We can power on now. So it is starting. So we have our Kali machine that is opening here. So it is the easiest way you can install Kali in your VMware Workstation, because the other with the image files is not easy one to install and it take too much time. So now with this one we see it is very easy to install it. But I will, however, open my with the images that I installed before in my machine that has more features and many things else, many applications. I will open to show you how it's look like. And from here we have like as a username Kali, and password also we have Kali. So if this we can download, we can go in, we can connect and open our Kali virtual virtual machine. So it is how we can install the Kali in VMware Workstation. So here you can open like the terminal, and click on it and open it. So you can make it bigger as this one. And from here we can go ls to list the content. So the repertory. So we have desktop document, download music, pictures, project, public templates, videos. So now I will show you how it's look like with the images one when we download with we install with the images. So I have to open my Kali. This one. So for here we can log in. So I click on my username and the password. I use it so to open it. So what is happening here? Okay, so maybe I should close this one first. So I make a exit, and from here now I should close, right click and power off. So power off the machine. And before to close any machine, you should power off the machine, and after do the job. So we close it from this one. But here I should use my, I'm not able to connect in the machine. What is happening? Okay. Mm, I want to open to show you how it's look like, but it's not okay right now. Okay, thank you for watching my video. It was just like to show you how you can install the Kali machine in your VMware workstation. Thank you. See you in my next coming videos. Thank you for watching the video, liking and sharing the video.